Hey guys, Gibran here from Saffron Alley, coming at you with buffalo chicken wings. I love this wings recipe because they're a bit spicy, very tangy, and really crispy. For this recipe, you're going to need some high quality 3-joint wings. And the only real preparation step you need to do is to remove the wing tips so that you're left with the drumettes and flats. At Saffron Alley, you get about 10 to 12 per kg, which is more than enough to feed around about 3 to 4 people. This is a very important step. You want to pat all your wings dry. And then next, simply take all the ingredients and sprinkle them over, giving your wings a good toss and mix. If you want to make a mess like I am clearly doing in this little clip, then that is a little optional extra. Next step is to take some foil on a wire rack or baking tray and just nice and evenly space your wings out. You want to pop them in an oven at 200 degrees for about 15 minutes on one side, then give them a quick flip, and you want about 15 minutes on the other side. Let's not waste any time here whilst your wings are cooking. For the buffalo sauce, grab some red hot sauce, unsalted butter, honey. Give that sauce a good little mix, and then once your wings are done, pop them in, and be sure to make a mess once again like I'm doing. I'm really on form in this video. And we're done. Just top these, garnishing with a little bit of coriander, a little bit of green, just really livens up this plate. The real secret to this recipe is really good quality wings, and at Saffron Alley, you know you're always going to get the highest quality meat products possible. As with all our meats, these wings are from chickens that have been reared very well, and that's reflected in the taste. Enjoy!